I need to get a set of 8 tires mounted on my wheels for an event. So they sell these tire mounters at Harbor Freight for 44 bucks, and I thought I'd give it a shot doing it myself. All in all, I'm just hoping to be able to save some money mounting tires by doing it myself. Other than that, I guess we're just going to put it together and see if you actually can do it with a $44 changer. So this is what it is. It's the Pittsburgh portable tire changer. Okay, so this thing 100% works. I just took that tire off of the wheel and put a brand new burner on this wheel, all with this machine.
Nice. There you go.
It is pretty legit. Alright, so we mounted 6 of my wheels, which are right behind me, with all the food on top of them. And now we're going to do 2 for Sid's Miata. So I'll show you that process, because I forgot to film the ones of us doing mine.
Experienced tire mounter here. Matt Bobby Falsey.
Experienced AF. Yeah, this is my 7th. So I mean, you could say I'm a professional by this point.
He's got about 1 hour under his belt.
Dude, the red matches the mounting machine perfectly. It looks like they're one. There it is.
Yeah, do you need a hand? Holy shit. Fucking Hulk, man.
Got it.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Was it all in fantasy? Where are you now? You were naturally. Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild.
Okay, so I'm editing this video right now and I realized I didn't make an outro, but I wanted to go over a couple things with the tire changer. You can 100% change tires with that machine relatively easily, and it's free, which is great. The only issue that we ran into is trying to mount tires with a shorter sidewall. I run predominantly 205/55 16s for drifting, and I had one set of 205/45s that we just could not get on. So as long as you're talking about tires with a pretty decently tall sidewall, all day long you can easily mount them. The only issue you run into is with probably stiffer tires that are shorter sidewall. Other than that, I say it's a pass. Everybody's got to have one. As far as drifting for cheap, that seems to be the way to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.